quiet town she stood alone, calm Bindas with a heart of stone. London wrote her endless fight for the light, for the right. Days turned nights with worn out shoes. Her hunger screamed a painful bruise, crying for the road to mend, for the end, for the bend. Come Bindas, why do you cry? Your voice will rise into the sky. Hunger pains will fade away, for the way, for the day. Silent streets and pleading eyes, she held on through the blistering skies. London's echo was soulful plea, set it free, let it be. Candles lit and whispers low, hope and promise in the glow. But the road to London and strong, so strong. They came for change, they marched in twine, joining steps with calm's design. The hunger strike lit up their way, new hope more than they could say.